Mm.
Okay. So yesterday we have seen hardware troubleshooting. Okay. Today what we will see, we will be viewing the BIOS,
Yeah, sure.
UEFI and firmware. Okay. So how you will enter BIOS? Um,
So
can
how
anyone
will I
tell
be
me how
entering?
you enter BIOS? What is the use of the BIOS?
Well, no much idea about it, but yeah, like in the let it be laptop or PC, based on the settings, we try to enter into the BIOS.
Okay. So why we enter, Joy? Why we enter in BIOS? What is the use?
So that we can get to know that what is the system configuration, I guess. I mean, what's yeah, what will be the input and output of it?
Okay. Yeah, Joy, you tell me what is the use of BIOS? BIOS. Why you will use BIOS?
BIOS, the basic input output configuration will do.
So all your setting it will be in BIOS. Okay. Everything the manufacturer, whatever he has installed, that the settings, everything it will be programmed on the SOC. So based on these settings, your devices will work. Okay. Whether you can disable it, enable it. So for virtualization technology, you need to enable VT in the BIOS. If you don't enable this, you can't use it. Okay. So that is why there will be lot of things you will do. So how you will enter in BIOS? How you will enter? So how you are going to enter into BIOS? Okay.
Hello.
How to go into BIOS? Yesterday you done it, right?
Today also,
Today also you have done it. How you entered into BIOS? There are lot of things you can do. For Dell it will be different. For HP it will be different. For Lenovo it will be different. For IBM it will be different. So you will have, so for most of the brand, you will have Dell or F2. If you press Dell or F2, you will go inside the BIOS where you can change the settings. Okay. Or else you type F10 on the HP. You type F10. Okay. You will go into BIOS. Or else in Lenovo, either you type F1 or F2. You will go inside. Huh? F10. F10 for HP. Okay. F2 or Dell for most of the brands. It will be Dell only. F1 and F2. Okay. So main point here is critical thing is timing. Okay. Once you get suspended within 5 seconds, you have to press that. If you are not pressing that, okay, then it will start booting. It will take. Okay. So some settings they will override. You don't allow the user to, not user, you don't give time to uh, give the option. Directly you enter into the OS. So manually you need to enter and then you have to change the settings. So it will be immediately you need to press that button, then it will be boot. So what is BIOS now? So hopefully you got the definition now. Okay. So by the document definition, it initializes all the hardware, okay, and then it will store the configuration and it will do post. What is post? Huh? Uh, Power on self-test. Once you uh, power it, keyboard will get lighted up. Mouse or mice, you will have lights. Everything it will check. All devices, whatever you have, it will just check, okay, whether you are working or not. That is post. It will happen post. Okay. Now, third question. Okay. How to recover or reset a forgotten BIOS password? Let's say you put a BIOS password. Okay. Now you have forgotten that BIOS password. So how you will reset that password? No, if you go inside BIOS, it will ask. Without that, you cannot enter.
We need to panic flash.
Hmm? No. This one I told in the earlier class. I have told this one. So what you will do, Pranav? If you lose the BIOS password, how you are going to reset that?
One second, sir. One second.
So what you will do? You will remove the battery, CMOS battery. You have the battery, right? Once you remove that, password will go. Okay. You remove that and let that get discharged. Okay. 1 or 2 minutes. Then you put the battery back, password will go. Now you can change the settings. Okay. Or else you will have a jumper. Jumper. Okay.
What's
CMOS
jumper, sir?
clear.
Sorry, jumper.
Uh, Clear CMOS like that, you will have a jumper. Okay. So once you short that, password will be removed. Okay.
So is it kind of a force restart or something? I mean, force start or something? Jumper.
No, no, I will show that one jumper. Okay. I will show how that look like jumper. Okay. After this, once this session is done, I will show you that.
Done.
What is OS and BIOS hardening? OS hardening and BIOS hardening. So BIOS hardening is, okay. You will disable all unused ports. Okay, if you go into BIOS, okay, you can disable lot of ports, USB ports, or there are lot of options you can do. You can enable secure boot also. Enabling secure boot, and then setting boot order. Okay. Let's say these guys
Right.
will get anyways USB pen drive. Okay. If they want to boot the Kali Linux, okay, if they put pen drive, they will immediately boot
Mm-hmm.
into their Kali Linux. So what we will do, we will keep that hardware locked. So you will have a lock back. You know that, right? You can lock the PC. Okay. You will put the BIOS password and you will lock the PC so that nobody can remove that. Now you will change the boot order also. It should boot from hard drive only, not pen drive. That sequence also they should not change. Okay. So now understood, Pranav,
Bye.
how how to harden the BIOS settings.
Yes, sir.
Uh, like you guys will
Right.
get the USB pen drive and you will boot that into Kali Linux. So for that reason, what we will do, we will harden the BIOS. That is hardware level hardening. Okay. And you have OS level hardening. What is OS level hardening? Yeah, Pranav. Do you have any idea about
OS level
OS hardening?
hardening. No, sir. No much idea about it. OS level hardening. No idea, sir.
Okay. So OS level, like you will be removing the services which are not required. That is called OS hardening.
Okay. ऑटो करना है कैब करना है हाँ ऑटो करना है कैब करना है
So I am recording Pranav. Everything, whatever you speak, it will be recorded. You will be cautious when
Shit, one
speaking.
second, sir. I'll just mute it. Sorry. I'll just mute
Go
it.
on mute. Later,
Yeah,
if
yeah,
I
I'll just mute
upload
it
it,
one
it will
second.
be
I
your
just totally, yeah,
conversation will
yeah,
be
yeah. I just
recorded.
totally forgot I was on unmute.
Okay.
So sorry. I just totally forgot I was not on mute.
You can unmute and you can ask questions if you have. Okay. Now that's it for OS hardening is, see in OS you will have lot of services. Lot of services which will be running. Okay. So all unnecessary services you will stop it. Okay. Which are not required. So you will stop that and you will not start that. That is called OS hardening, and you will disable the administrator account. So all the default admin accounts you will disable it. You will have administrator, or you will have admin, or you will have guest, or default accounts you will have. Okay. So only will enable once you contact the vendor, like Microsoft. So they will only use that for troubleshooting those default accounts. And you will put the password policies. Like yesterday we were doing, right, some 7 characters numeric, and then special character, then uppercase, lowercase, all that. Okay. How many? 7, 8, 11 characters we kept as a password. So this one will come under password policy. Okay, this is also part of OS hardening. And you will be applying the patches. Patches, what is patches? Huh? Yeah, tell me, what is patches?
So patches are the dots that which we have it on it.
Huh?
The dots that which we have it, like a layer, something which will be left, a layer that will be left over.
So this guy is already asking, okay, when the class will start. Okay. So what is batch means, like let's say I am driving, okay. So something just hit me, my my t-shirt. Okay, my t-shirt has torn up now. Okay, so I don't want to get exposed. People will see my shoulder. Okay, so what I will do, I will put a patch here so that this will be covered. Okay. Now what the tailor has done, okay, he has stitched multiple times here. Okay. After this patch, it torn here. Then I need to apply one more patch. See, it was only just a small tone, okay, but that guy, he made it, okay, to look strong. He has made it big patch. Okay. So while doing that patching, while designing it, he done multiple times stitching. Okay, with that cloth has gone sideways or it has torn from the other side. Okay. Now what I need to do? Again I will patch. Okay. So now what I have done again, after 2-3 wash, okay, that slowly started.
Sir, where are you showing this? Are you showing it on the board or somewhere else?
No, I am not showing. I am just acting.
Okay, got it.
I am just showing my shoulder. Okay. So now it again
Okay. Done.
it again pulled off. Okay. So now I will tell. Okay, I want to have a leather patch. You put a um, leather piece and patch it. Okay. So that leather patch, we will call that as a service pack. Okay. Update 1, update 2, update 3. So you just see, I don't want these many patches also. You just put one big leather patch here. Okay. It will look very good and everything will be hidden. Okay. Similarly, in OS also, same thing will happen. Even terribly, it will happen in OS. What is this one? Meeting. Okay. So yeah, Srutik, you are able to see the screen now.
Yes, sir.
Whatever I am showing or recording whenever I will be sharing this this video, okay, you will see you will see my video also. I am recording. The cam is not accessible. Cam is in the recording mode. Okay. So now we will go into chapter 3. Okay. Before going into chapter 3, okay, let me ask you a few questions. So I was telling in the last class how you will take the USB pen drive and then boot into the Kali Linux and you start hacking. So for that, what are the countermeasures we discuss now in this class? Okay. So yeah, Pranav, you tell me what are the solutions that we have, how you will stop it.
Uh, so could you please pardon me again with the question?
So let's say uh, I will ask Shrutik, okay, to take one pen drive and
Mm-hmm.
boot that Kali Linux, okay, and
Okay.
start uh, firing the hping command, okay. So what he will do, he will come and he will change the boot order, okay, in BIOS. So once he changes the boot order, okay, that computer will boot from USB pen drive. Okay. Now you want to stop that. So you need to stop Shrutik from doing that activity. What you will do? You can lock the hard. You can lock the CPU or whatever you want. You can do it. So, but you should not allow Shrutik to log into using USB. So that is the exercise of this chapter. So what you will do?
So I understood your question, but I don't know as how what to say.
Mm.
Not able to frame it.
Yeah, go ahead, no problem.
So either it might be as like by disabling the connection.
Why you will disable it? If you disable that, you cannot use it. Okay. You should be using it, but you should not allow him to boot from the USB pen drive. Okay. Only that you have to restrict him from accessing the pen drive. It should directly boot from hard disk only. Okay. Let me tell you what you have to do. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
You need to set the BIOS password, okay, and physically lock the computer, okay. So backside you will have a lock, okay. So once you come on Thursday, you will I will show you that one, okay. So how that lock will look like, okay. Well, we have just one computer here and two laptops are working, okay, and I have requested the junction box also, surge protector, all that. So once we have that, you can completely do the lab here. Okay. So now we'll move into storage and memory. Shrutik, now you are able to see right the screen which I am sharing.
Yes, sir, I can see.
Okay. So now you have storage and memory. Okay. So what kind of hard disk or drives you have seen till now? Shrutik or Pranav, what type of hard disk drives you have seen?
So till now, the hard disks that I have seen is only.
Okay. I will show you. Okay. Hard disk types. Okay. IDE, SCSI. Okay. And then SSD. So these are all the old model. Okay, this is IDE. Okay,
I have seen only the second one, sir, which is there in the image. Only that hardware I have seen. Hard disk I have seen. Sorry.
these are the old one. Okay, parallel. So this is what we will call it as parallel. Okay, when I started, I have used this one. Okay, parallel. Okay. Now you will use this hard disk. Okay, hard disk drive SCSI. Okay. So this is a SCSI drive. Then you have NVMe. NVMe you have already known this one. Small, it will be like size of a Kit Kat. You have seen Kit Kat? Uh,
Right, sir. We have.
like that it will be. Or Milky Bar, small Milky Bar, 5 rupees Milky Bar. Okay. So this will be very faster. So we don't have NVMe here. Okay. So those are all the hard disk types. Okay. So what is hybrid storage? Hybrid storage is nothing but you are combining SSD and HDD. Okay. So you will be combining both and you will be configuring that SSD and HDD. Okay. So one we will have SSD and one we will have NVMe here, because you need to be learning all that SSD and HDD.
So pardon with the second name, which you told MVME.
NVMe. Okay. Non-volatile memory. Okay.
Okay.
So you can see it once we have that. We have already installed here. So once everything gets ready, you can see that one. So those are all the basic memory. Okay, storage and memory. Now, how do you check that RAM status, or is it in working condition? So you need to ensure that it is working. Your memory is working. Okay. So now you do, okay, Windows run. Okay. Then you type md shed.exe scheduler. Did you see that pop-up came? Yeah, Pranav, Shrutik.
Yeah, sir, able to see. Check your computer for memory problems.
Yes. Okay. So if you restart now, okay, so it will check for the problems. If you have any problems or not, it will check. So this is how you will check the problem with the memory RAM, whether it is working or not.
So this is a kind of again a troubleshooting process itself, right?
Sorry.
Troubleshooting process. I mean, even for troubleshooting
Yeah.
also we check it in the same way.
Yes, yes. This is for troubleshooting. So you
Got
want
it.
to ensure that the RAM is not faulty.
Got it,
Okay.
sir.
So check for problems the next time I start my computer. Okay. Either you can use one so that it will start for checking for memory problems. Okay. I will cancel this. Okay. So that is how you will check for the RAM problem, RAM status. Okay. So how you are going to clean up or free up RAM? So you have lot of memory. Let's say I will open up here. Okay. Task manager I will open. Okay. So now you see it here, my 16 GB. Okay. So already 10 GB it is already occupied. Okay. So only 6 GB I have left. Okay. Now how you will troubleshoot, how you will clean up the RAM. So for that one, what you do, you go into control panel. Okay, control, then on the application parts. Okay, you go to programs. Okay, uninstall a program. So whatever it is not required for you, okay, you will just remove those services. Okay. Ultra Team Viewer. I will remove this one. Okay. Yes. So this is how you are going to free up the RAM, free up the memory. Okay, I am going to uninstall. So you need to uninstall all the tools that you have installed. Last time you installed lot of tools, right? Shrutik, sorry, Pranav. Lot of freeware you have installed. You need to uninstall all that. So then you will free up your memory. I will uninstall this. What? You can uninstall. Okay. So DaVinci Resolve you have here. So if I uninstall 4.5 GB, it will be removed and it will relax my memory. So whatever it is not required, what you are going to do, you will uninstall this. This is how you are going to free up your RAM. Okay. So till now we have done it. Okay. So in the next class, what we will do for the operating system Windows 10. Okay. Next
Got it, sir.
next class, you come offline. Next class.
That's tomorrow, Wednesday.
Yeah, tomorrow.
Okay, done. Timing, sir?
Timing afternoon timings.
Afternoon timings.
Yeah.
3 o'clock itself, same time we'll keep it
Yeah,
then.
yeah. same time.
Okay, done.
Okay. So I will share you this recording. Okay. You will have my video also. Okay. So I am in class now here in Ascent. I am in Ascent. I came here
Mhm.
to set up lab. Um, so from here I have started recording it. Okay.
Done.
We'll do that one later. Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Shrutik.
Sir, tomorrow we have offline or online?
Offline.
Offline.
Yeah.
Timings?
Timing it will be afternoon. So, are you comfortable with the afternoon?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then you come in the afternoon. We'll do that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay, sure. Yeah. Thank you.
Sure. Thank you. Good day.